seems that there is a bit of confusion around the state pension age. So in this video, I want to show you how to find out when you can get your state pension and the proposed plans from the UK government for upcoming adjustments. So what is the government proposing to change? The state pension age is due to increase to 68 in the near future. And I think it's worthwhile addressing why this is before we get into how it's changing. Back when the state pension was first introduced in 1948, people started to receive their pension at 65. And on average, were expected to live in receipt of their pension for 13.5 years. Studies in 2017 show that now a 65-year-old person can on average expect to live another 22.8 years. That's another 9 years. Good news for us, it meant the finances of state pensions no longer balanced out how they used to. And that's why the government is changing the state pension age. So when is it changing to 68? A review in 2017 has led to a decision to bring the plans forwards, meaning we can currently expect the state pension age to increase to 68 between 2037 and 2039. This means that anyone born before the 5th of April 1970 will see no changes, and anyone born after the 6th of April 1978 will have a state pension age of 68. For everyone in between, their state pension age would be between 67 and 1 month and 68, depending on their date of birth. So that's how you can calculate your state pension age. But if you want, there is a calculator available on the gov.uk site, and I have linked it in the description. If you want to know more about what you can expect to get from your state pension, then check out this video above. I hope that this video has cleared up when you can expect to receive your state pension. If it has, then give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful finance videos.